Chocolate chip cookie recipe. 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1 cup packed brown sugar. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 3 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 2 cups chocolate chips. 1 cup chopped nuts optional. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 F 175C and line baking sheets with parchment paper. 2. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until smooth. 3. Beat in the eggs one at a time. Then stir in the vanilla extract. 4. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Gradually add this mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. 5. Fold in the chocolate chips and chopped nuts if using. 6. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto the prepared baking sheets, spacing them about 2 inches apart. 7. Bake in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Be careful not to overbake to keep the cookies chewy. 8. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheets for a few minutes before transferring them to wire racks to cool completely. 9. Enjoy your homemade chocolate chip cookies with a glass of milk. Feel free to adjust the chocolate chip and nut quantities based on your preferences. Happy baking! I hope you like this recipe, so don't forget to subscribe. And on which recipe to make the next video, please tell us in the comment section.